All right. So my little friends again. Sorry. Um, what probably you guys are wondering why I keep on calling friends. Friends is actually an inclusive term we use in schools, especially in North American schools. So friends means my students, my kind of children, and yes, my little students basically. So this question is taken from Math Focus Grade 9 textbook, page 266. So I have written the page number over there. If you're in grade 9 and you're finding solving equations, if you're finding it difficult to solve equations, then please just watch this video. If you have any question, again, just let me know. So this is question 4D. So here I'm gonna solve for x. I need to find the value for x. X is my variable over here. You all should know that what is variable. Any letter in math that doesn't have a constant value is called a variable. Okay, so I'm gonna solve for x. So here we have a bracket. So x and minus 1 is not a like term, so we cannot do any further operation. So I'm gonna times 3 times x. So this will be 3x minus 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2 comes down as is. 2 times 3 is 6x. Plus 2 times 1 is 2 equals 2. So if you have a question why I'm multiplying the interior numbers by the outer number, is because these two terms are not alike, so we cannot do addition with these terms. So that's why if you have a number outside a bracket, means multiplication is going on. So we multiply by 2 and then we multiply by 1. Same thing, 3 times x and 3 times 1. All right, so now I'm gonna add or subtract the alike terms. So I have 3x plus 6x. So I'm gonna rearrange it. I'm gonna bring the alike terms together. So 3x plus 6x minus 3 plus 2 equals 2. I'm not doing anything. I'm just rearranging my terms. All right. So now I know this is 3x and x. I can add these two numbers and this will become 9x. So I'm going to do the operation between these two. So negative 3, positive 2 gives us negative 1. Sorry. So negative 3, positive 2 give us negative 1. And equals 2 comes down as is. All right. So since we are solving for x, so x is our variable in the equation, and we have to isolate x so that whatever is on the other side is exactly equals to our x. So what we're going to do is, since 9 is a coefficient of x, we'll keep it till the end. Now, negative 1 is an extra number that's a constant. We need to get rid of this negative 1. And how do we get rid of the constants that are with the variable? By doing the opposite operation. So opposite operation means 9x stays this, minus 1 plus 1, and we do the same thing on the other side. So since we added 1 over here, we have to add 1 over here as well. So this way we are just left with 9x, minus 1 plus 1 is gone, so it's no more, and now we have only 3. Okay, on the other side. Now, since I told you we have to isolate our variable. Now, the relation between 9 and a variable is a relation of multiplication, because we don't see an integer, there is no sign in between. So coefficient and a variable, the relation between a coefficient and a variable is always a relation of multiplication. So how to get rid of this 9? By doing the opposite operation, that's division. We have to do the same thing on the other side. So division on the other side as well. So our 9 is gone. Now x is equals 3 over 9. So I'm going to go over here. So x equals 3 over 9. This is not considered as our final answer because we can further reduce this. We can divide 3 by 3, and 9 is also divisible by 3. So our final answer would be x equals 1 over 3. Because 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So final answer for x is 1 over 3. So this is our final answer. We can leave it as is in the fraction. We can also convert it into decimal. But if you get it in fraction, just leave it like this. And this is your final answer. All right. And we can always verify our answer. I always suggest my students to verify their work. How do you verify it? I don't have much space over here, so I'm not verifying it. But you can always verify your work by replacing the variable with the answer you get over here. So here you have 1 over 3, x, so replace x with 1 over 3 and replace this x with 1 over 3, solve it. I know it's going to be a little time consuming. Some students love to verify their work before they submit to their teacher. That's your choice again. So I'm not going to force you, but this is the final answer for this question. I'll be solving another equation in my next video. Thank you.